Hello everyone, and welcome to How-FixIT. In this video guide, I will show you how to replace the fan on a MacBook Air. Before we start, I'll show you what tools are required to repair the MacBook. Screwdriver set, plastic pry tools, tweezers. I have included links to all the tools you need in the video description below. I also advise utilizing a magnetic mat throughout the repair process, especially when working with a MacBook Air. While disassembling, diligently manage each screw's placement to ensure accurate reassembly. Rest assured, you need not be concerned about misplacing any screws. They will all securely adhere to the magnetic mat. Let's begin disassembly. Flip it over and start by removing the screws securing the bottom case. Remember, each screw has its place, so keep them organized for later. Gently pry the bottom cover using a plastic tool. Carefully disconnect the battery cable using a plastic spudger or your fingers. Ensuring the battery is disconnected is a crucial safety step. Carefully disconnect any cables connected to the fan and unscrew the screws securing it in place. Use this part number to find a compatible fan for your laptop. I also left a link to the fan for this MacBook model in the description below. Power up your MacBook and check if everything is working smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Well done, the repair is now complete. You were on How-FixIT, and see you again next time.